I'm 680 News senior business editor Mike Eppel. In a year that's already seen big investment announcements by tech heavyweights Microsoft, Intel, and Uber, they're all planning to create lots of new jobs in the Toronto tech scene. Another one today, this time from Instacart, the California-based company, which has recently announced grocery delivery deals with the likes of Walmart Canada and Loblaws. Says it's going to create 200 jobs for research and development purposes at its Toronto tech office. So these jobs are going to be created, some of them already posted, for the next year or so, as Toronto's tech scene is booming right now with multi-million-dollar investments. Now, from Instacart to Instagram, big shakeup today at the photo sharing service, which is owned by Facebook. The company co-founders at Instagram sold the company to Facebook in 2012. And since then, they've been working sort of autonomously from the umbrella of Facebook. But recently, Mark Zuckerberg, the CEO of Facebook, has been looking to be more involved in day-to-day operations. Well, that was pretty much a non-starter for Kevin Systrom and Mike Krieger. They're leaving to go on about to other inventions. But Instagram, when it was purchased by Facebook for $700 million, had just 30 million users. Today, it boasts more than 1 billion users on a monthly basis. Trade talks bogged down. Latest signals on the NAFTA negotiations going nowhere. A couple of top trade officials, Robert Lighthizer of the U.S. and Peter Navarro, both saying that there are still major sticking points, so much so that it is likely now not going to see any type of a deal for the U.S. Congress to vote on before the November midterm elections. So as the football posts sort of get pushed back on the NAFTA talks, we were supposed to have an end-of-month deadline on a deal. Latest issues include patent protections on pharmaceuticals, of course, the ongoing access to Canada's dairy industry, among other things. There could be some risks from this, though. J.P. Morgan Chase and Company today saying that if there is no NAFTA deal and trade tensions get ramped up, you could see a 10% plunge for the Canadian dollar, which this morning was at 77 cents. On the flip side, it could go north of 80 cents if a deal is reached. And also, markets on alert this week for a rising price for oil, which hit a 4-year high on international markets today. Oil north of $82 per barrel. Last time we've seen it these levels was back in 2014. It is going to lead to a higher price of the pumps overnight, going up 2 cents, according to Enpro, at almost $1.28 here in the GTA. From the 680 newsroom, I'm Mike Eppel for City News.